entitled Exploring the Consequences in Using Home Economics Strand in Senior High School.
Now, we will teach you how to use an oven, what can be used, and cook.
Into the outlet and turn the timer for how many minutes the food will be cooked. This is the oven lamp. Dito nagmumula yung init para maluto yung pagkain. The tray is a removable tray located at the bottom of kitchen appliances like ovens, toasters, and grills, designed to collect crumbs, food particles, and drippings during cooking, making clean toast, hot dogs, cookies, gratin, and potatoes. This is the timer. Dito niluluto yung mga pagkain na katulad ng potatoes, tsaka isa siya sa 13 to 15 minutes. And pag tumunog na to, it means luto na yung pagkain. Like ganito.
Today, we will be conducting interviews with grade 12 students enrolled in Home Economics Strand. Ano ang dahilan kung bakit pinili mo ang Home Economics Strand?
Pinili ko ang Home Economics Strand dahil pangarap ko mahilig ako magluto at pangarap ko maging professional chef someday.
Nabibiro ko po yung tamang proseso ng mga pagluto ko. Saka nalaman ko po yung aking skill na bilang gumawa ng mga tamang pag-slice ng mga